Hello everybody, in this particular video I am going to explain one question. This is the question asked by one student. If I follow the topper notes, can I get the good rank in JPAD? So this is the question asked by one student. So I am going to explain everything in detail by point to point manner. So the reasons why he or she became the topper. So absolutely he or she worked hard, that is the reason he or she became the topper. But in the same year other people also working same intense of hard work, the people who are doing same hard work like these people. But why they are not getting good rank in JPAD? So that means some other major factors also involved. We need to realize that. So why they got a good rank? They got a good rank in particular year. So for example, if I am the top in GPAT 2019 means I am the topper because the questions whatever given in the exam I know the maximum answer. For that particular question paper only, you need to identify, you need to realize that thing. So okay, I got a top rank in particular JPAT 2019, for example, discussing. Okay, I get a top rank in 2019. That means I'm the person who know everything about JPAT. No, I'm the person who know the answer to the maximum of questions in that 125 questions. That is the reason in that particular year only I got at the topper. Not all the years I never get the topper. If the person got at first rank in JPAD or 9th rank in JPAD, so if you check his NIPER rank, he not get the same rank in NIPER as well. That itself saying that if they are getting some rank means that rank is particularly up to that question paper and up to that year only. So that means if you are follow the same topper notes, it will help you. I can assure you it will help you, but it will not surely say that you will also get the same rank. Okay, so they also never, the rank is never repeated. If they got it one rank means it's okay. For example, 7th rank in GPAD. Okay, in the NIPER they not get the again 7th rank. So that means the ranks will differ because the rank is depend upon the question paper and a lot of factors also involved in it. But if you conduct the another exam with another set of questions and another different places, so they again get the different ranks. That means the rank is not constant, but the same hard work is done by others also. But thing here is that it depends upon the questions what are asked in the exam and what are the syllabus you covered and how many questions are coming from your whatever the syllabus you covered. So that is the reason people become the topper. And another thing here that another stress factor also. So if you are not having any stress also, you can easily get the good rank, because if you not have stress on your brain, automatically your brain works very faster, then you will get the good score out of it. And they get good rank whatever they read it, so that questions come easily, they get the good rank. That means so the rank of the topper will be not be constant, so it will change to year. So that is the reason we never take a like this question, if I follow topper notes, can I get the same rank? This rank is not possible even if you read the same topper notes. That is the reason if you take any coaching institute, if they one time if they get it all in the first rank, and the second time there is not chances to get the same rank, because it also depend upon the interest of the person. If you read the topper notes also, if you are not having same interest of the topper, so it is highly impossible to get the same rank what you are expecting by reading the notes. Another thing, one example here I have given. So example, one match Yuvraj Singh hit 6 sixes out of 6 balls. That means every match he gives the same performance? No, there is a lot of factors. For example, he hit 6 runs out of 6 balls means the bowler is the factor and the batting pitch is the factor and the movement of the Yuvraj Singh is the factor and energy levels. And another thing, the pitch is bowling pitch or batting pitch, and another thing the bowler is bowling in a fast way or slow way, are lot of factors. And what is the bat he used and what are the weight of the bat and what is the boundary length. So all these are the different factors why he hit 6 sixes out of 6 balls, and what are how many no balls are bowled in that over. So all these are the different factors that will make him to hit the 6 sixes out of 6 balls. Same thing is also applicable to our top rankers as well. Okay, so another thing that we were asking that if you follow the topper notes, it will help you in your preparation surely, but you need to change your preparation according to changes in previous year paper. So what are the question, what is the examiner seeking from you, and if you change your preparation along with this topper notes year to year, so automatically you have a lot of chances to get the good rank. And my personal experience I will incorporate in case of GPAT exam when I written. So I have some friends, they got a good rank when compared to me. Okay, they got a 200 rank, but I got it in between 700-800 rank. So I got it this thing. But in case of state pharma PG set exam of Andhra Pradesh, I got it all in state first rank, but these people got it 60th rank. So same exam, same people, they have same knowledge, right? So they read same, but in GPAT exam they got something good rank compared to me. But in case of AP Pharma PG set exam, I got a state first rank, but those people are got 60 or 30 ranks. That means what is the difference here? So that means it may be changes. Another thing, that in case of NIPER exam also, I got a very good rank when compared to them, but in case of GPAT they get it 200, but I'm not get a 200 rank. So that means it is telling that if you are following anything what the topper is following, it's not easier you to get the same rank, but it will help you. Okay, you can take, it will help you. That is the thing. Another thing, that in case of NIPER PhD and dentist, I got it all in the 4th rank. I'm not show up in my ranks, but the students who got it NIPER 50 rank, they got it all in NIPER PhD, they got more rank than me. So I got it very good rank when compared to them. So that means your rank something is not it is not a constant. It will differ every time to time. So that is the reason if you follow the topper notes also, it will be good, but you need to change some preparation strategies by your own. So that is the reason, don't blindly follow anything. So I hope you understood. Thank you.